Hello friends! This is the second part of 20 best places to visit in Delhi. For watching first part of this video, please click on I button. In this video we are going to see next 10 best places to visit in Delhi. Before we continue, please click the subscribe button and tap on bell icon to get the latest updates. Let's get started. Friends, our 11th place is Tughlaqabad Fort. Tughlaqabad Fort was the lifelong dream of the founder of Sultanate dynasty Ghiyas-ud-Din Tughlaq. It is said that the Sultan was so passionate about building this fort. He ordered all the builders in Delhi and nearby cities to leave their work and only work on Tughlaqabad Fort. Looking at the ruins, it is not difficult to imagine how magnificent this fort was once upon a time. It is famous for its history and its ruins. Friends, our 12th place is Purana Killa, one of the oldest forts in Delhi. Purana Killa was initially built by Humayun and later expanded by Sher Shah Suri. During India-Pakistan partition, many people moving towards Pakistan took refuge in this fort. It has without a doubt witnessed many important historic events since Mughal times and is still standing strong. The massive gates and walls of the forts are the main attractions of its grand exterior. Friends, our 13th place is Lakshmi Narayan Temple. Lakshmi Narayan Temple is the first of many temples built by the Birla family across India. It was inaugurated by Mahatma Gandhi on the condition that people from all castes and religions should be allowed to enter this temple. The temple's stunning architecture is surrounded by lush gardens and artificially made waterfalls. It lies on an area of about 7.5 acres and its magnificence makes the cityscape of Delhi even more beautiful. Friends, our 14th place is Gurudwara Bangla Sahib. Gurudwara Bangla Sahib holds special significance for Sikhs because of its relation with the 8th Sikh Guru, Guru Har Krishan, who stayed here to cure thousands suffering from cholera and smallpox epidemic. The Sarovar or lake inside the Gurudwara is also worth a visit for its serenity and importance. In a recent survey, Gurudwara Bangla Sahib was ranked as the best place of pilgrimage in Delhi. Friends, our 15th place is Cathedral Church of Redemption. Cathedral Church of Redemption is Delhi's oldest church and it took a total of 8 years to complete this architectural marvel. The then Viceroy of India, Lord Irwin, was so much impressed by the beauty of the church that he gifted the church an organ and a silver cross. Therefore, the religious importance and its architectural beauty make this church a must-visit for everyone coming to Delhi. Friends, our 16th place is Agrasen Ki Baoli, a one-of-its-kind stepwell in Delhi. Agrasen Ki Baoli is believed to be built by Raja Agrasen during Mahabharat era. It was later expanded and developed by the Agarwal community in the 14th century. The step well has a total of 108 steps and the only remaining step well in Delhi. Only 3 levels are visible and each of them is lined with arched niches on both sides. Friends, our 17th place is National Museum. National Museum offers a peek in Indian history right from pre-civilization era. It is one of India's largest museums with artifacts ranging from Harappan civilization to British colonial era, Mughal era paintings, coins from Gupta dynasty, relics from Mauryan times are some of the displays here. National Museum has beautifully captured India's history in a nutshell, and therefore a visit here is absolutely recommended for everyone. Friends, our 18th place is Nizamuddin Dargah. The shrine of Nizamuddin Dargah is dedicated to one of the prominent Sufi saints, Khwaja Nizamuddin Auliya. It is visited by thousands, regardless of any caste, creed or religion. The qawwalis sung here by Nizami brothers are famous of their soulful lyrics and music. Friends, our 19th place is Safdarjung's tomb. Safdarjung's tomb is the last example of Mughal monumental tomb architecture. It was inspired by the Humayun tomb and borrows many of its elements. The tomb was built when Mughal Empire was in decline in India, therefore its layout and structure are not at par with other Mughal monuments. Nevertheless, this tomb's beautiful exteriors and giant three-domed walls make it a must-visit site. Friends, our 20th place is Raj Ghat and associated memorials. Raj Ghat is Mahatma Gandhi's memorial and also his cremation ground. The memorial has a black marble slab facing upwards and is surrounded by lush green lawns at all sides. All major foreign dignitaries visit this place to pay their respects to the father of nation. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you.